Hello everyone, I am the CSO of YIZUMI's Rubber Injection Machine Division. It's truly an honor to share with you today my journey with YIZUMI, as well as our expectation and efforts in the field of rubber machinery. To joining YIZUMI in the position of the CSO of the Rubber Injection Machine Division bring two things together, strategy and the rubber philosophy. This is not just about the product management, it's about the development path of the entire rubber machinery business. What excites me most is the space to create new concepts. We are not producing standalone machines. We want to delivering integrated machine, code runner, mold and automation system solutions. This means starting from the customer requirements and needs to provide turnkey solutions, which is truly visionary strategy in the rubber industry. With clear goals and a YIZUMI platform for seamless global teamwork, I see the real possibility of technology implementation and market breakthrough. As CSO, my core mission is to focus on the European and US markets and to tackle high-end competition. On one front, we will develop an entire new horizontal machine platform, such as the horizontal 300-ton Titan, benchmarking against advanced European technology to achieve breakthroughs in performance, stability and high efficiency and energy saving. On the other hand, I'm driving a full range upgrade of our vertical machine series, starting from the 100-ton to the 1,200-ton climbing force. The vertical machine 440-ton Polar exemplifies this evolution, positioning YIZUMI's vertical machine as a stronger global contender. Our product philosophy has always been technology as foundation, value as core. That means we don't just deliver technical advanced machines, we're delivering cost-effective solutions that create real value for our customers. During the development phase, like for the horizontal 300-ton, we take full ownership of our machine design, material testing, refining everything, critical subsystems from clamping, injection to hydraulic unit. For example, the horizontal 300-ton has been specific optimized for rubber and silicone molding, delivering a more precise machine control and ensure more stable production cases of volume for our customers. Meanwhile, we shorten time to market and cut costs through standardized modular design, unifying core component interfaces and streamlining procurement so customers gain high performance and high value in a time to market product. We will focus on high-end customer. Since high-end markets have gone global, we must adapt our dual strategy, not only depending on our technology expertise, but more importantly, using cutting-edge products to break into global markets. In the future, we will focus on new fields such as the automotive sector, on driving comfort and new drive technology like e-mobility and hydrogen solution. New energy sources and new power grids require efficient production solutions. In the infrastructure market, we see big potential by expanding and modernization of infrastructure for sustainable use of resources and avoidance of transmission losses. Bigger seals and special articles for water systems becomes more and more drive in the industry. Technology leadership, market insights, that's what set us apart. I believe when customers think of high-end rubber machinery, YIZUMI will be the first choice that comes into their mind.